How to set up PayPal for international payments on Shopify. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up PayPal for international payments on your Shopify store. PayPal works in over 200 countries, making it perfect for global sellers. Step 1. Go to Settings. Log into your Shopify admin. Click Settings in the bottom left corner. Step 2. Click Payments. Click Payments. You'll see all your payment provider options. Step 3. Find PayPal section. Scroll down to find the PayPal section. You'll see PayPal Express Checkout listed. If this is your first time, click Activate. Step 4. Click Activate. Click the Activate button next to PayPal Express Checkout. Shopify automatically sets this up for all stores. Step 5. Authorize with PayPal. You'll be redirected to PayPal's website. Log in with your PayPal business account, email, and password. Important: use a business account, not a personal account. Personal accounts limit features and increase payment holds. Business accounts get seller protection and dispute management. Step 6. Grant permission. Click Grant Permission or Authorize. You're giving Shopify permission to process payments through your PayPal account. PayPal will redirect you back to Shopify. Step 7. Click Save. Back in Shopify, click Save. PayPal is now activated on your store. International payment settings. Step 8. Enable multi-currency for international customers. Enable multi-currency. Go to Settings, Markets. Add the countries and currencies you want to accept. Set exchange rates. Customers see prices in their local currency at checkout. PayPal handles the conversion. Step 9. Enable PayPal Pay Later. Go back to Payments. In your PayPal settings, toggle on PayPal Pay Later. This is a Buy Now Pay Later option. Customers can split payments over time. Studies show this increases average order value by 20 to 30%. No extra cost to you. Step 10. Enable Product Page button. Optional but recommended. Toggle on Show PayPal button on product detail pages. Customers can buy directly from the product page without going to cart. Increases conversion. Important: international details. International buyers can use PayPal in over 200 countries. They pay in their local currency. PayPal automatically converts to USD and deposits to your account. However, PayPal charges an additional 1.5% cross-border fee on international transactions. Example: customer in UK pays in pounds. PayPal converts to USD. You receive the USD amount minus processing fees, plus the 1.5% international fee. Payment holds and disputes. PayPal holds and manages payment holds. If PayPal thinks a transaction is risky, they may hold the funds. Shopify cannot override this. If a customer disputes a charge, PayPal handles it. Shopify cannot intervene. Contact PayPal directly for any hold or dispute issues. Pro tips: keep Shopify payments as your primary method if available in your country. Add PayPal as an alternative. This gives customers choice. International buyers often trust PayPal more than credit cards. Offering it reduces cart abandonment. Monitor your PayPal account daily. Check for holds, disputes, or issues. Respond quickly to any seller protection claims. Sync your refund policies with PayPal. If you offer refunds within 14 days, make sure PayPal is set to allow refunds in that window. Summary settings: payments, PayPal activate, authorize with PayPal business account, grant permission, save, enable multi-currency in markets, toggle PayPal Pay Later, toggle product page button. Done. You're accepting international payments through PayPal. If this helped you set up international payments, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which countries you're selling to. Thanks for watching.